Can you believe that Hytale was released before GTA 6? Pretty crazy. But Hytale officially launched on January 13th. And if you don't know, Hytale is a new open world RPG that can be kind of described as Minecraft meets Zelda, kind of, and people are already going crazy over it. So in today's video, we'll show you how to create a Hytale server so you can join their early access release. So to start playing, you'll need to purchase one of 3 editions of Hytale and also set up a server for you and your friends to play on. And all 3 editions of Hytale grant you full access to the game and even in its pre-release. And the higher tiers basically include extra items and mods that don't affect the actual gameplay. So it might be worth starting out with one of the lower tiers and upgrading once you get more into the game. So once you've purchased the game, it is time to get your server up and running. You can always rent a server from someone else, but for more security and flexibility, you can get a self-hosted VPS with Hostinger. And I'll guide you through exactly how to set that up. So just head over to our Hytale Server Hosting page, and the link for that will be in the description down below. And here you can select the best plan for all of your needs. And by the way, all of Hostinger's plans include free weekly backups, a malware scanner, and the Cody AI assistant that can help with any commands or questions you have about running your VPS. And the best part is there's no player limit. So as long as you have space on your server, you can invite more players to your game. Plus, you can use the discount code HYT10 to get 10% off any of our game panel plans and get your Hytale instance started. So if you're planning to play with only a few friends and keep things pretty simple, then you'll be just fine with plans 1 or 2. But if you need more players and you plan to have extensive mods or custom content, then you really might benefit from higher tier plans. And if you're unsure, I would really go with one of the lower tier plans at first, since you can always upgrade later on. Alright, so when you have your hosting plan, you'll automatically be basically redirected to our onboarding wizard, just like you can see here. So start by selecting your server location, and the closer it is to your fellow players, the better, as that really helps avoid lag and keeps your gameplay smooth. Alright, now the next thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure to set up a secure password for your game panel's admin user. And once you do that, I'm just gonna do mine right now, you're gonna be ready to move on. And it can sometimes take a few minutes for the installation to actually happen, but you'll get an email once your game panel is ready, so you can just chill out. And when it is, you're gonna wanna head over right here to the VPS menu in your H panel to start setting it up. Alright, so now click on Manage here, and you'll see the game panel dashboard, which is basically where you can keep an eye on your server status and monitor the usage. Then hit Manage Panel and head over to your panel login. Now, using the admin details you created during the whole setup, just log in here and you'll see the main menu. Now, you're gonna have to navigate over here to the Instances section and click Create Instance. And from the list of available game templates, just select Hytale from the drop-down menu and just confirm the deployment. And from here, the game panel will automatically download all of the required server files, also configure your game environment, and prepare the server for use, basically. So you don't have to input any commands or code yourself, which is super useful. And guys, we are almost ready to start playing, but we still need to authenticate just a couple of little things first. So after the instance is created, just open Manage Instance right here and trigger an update so that the server will begin downloading all the required Hytale files. And during that installation process, you will be prompted to authenticate the download right here. So open the link in your browser and just log in using your Hytale account, like I'm doing right now, and approve the authorization request. Once the authorization is actually complete, the download will continue automatically. And don't worry, you're only gonna have to do this authentication step once per server, so you won't have to worry about logging into your game every single time. And just like that, you are all set. Your Hytale server is up and running and you're ready to invite other players to your game. Now, you can just basically copy the server's IP address from your VPS settings in H panel, right here under VPS details. Now add the IP address to Hytale and connect to start playing the game on your own dedicated server. And monitoring your server is super easy. It's basically just monitoring your dashboard and asking our AI assistant Cody for help if you need any. And the game panel also includes a built-in file manager, server configuration options, and a scheduling feature for automatic restarts. And all of that together allows you to customize and maintain your Hytale server with really minimal effort. And now that you've got your first game panel all set up, you can use these exact same steps with a practically endless list of other games. You can even run multiple games on the same VPS, just as long as it's got enough power to handle the actual games. And if you want a video covering any of the other games, just make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And just before we finish up, guys, I have a little bit of a note here, so just keep in mind that Hytale is still under active development, which means some server requirements and features might change over time. So just make sure you keep your server updated and remember that you can always upgrade your VPS plan if you need more power for your gameplay. And that is all I've got for you guys today. Getting started with a VPS is easy, and now you can just jump in and start adventuring in Hytale. You can create your own fantasy world and have a dedicated private server to join your friends in-game. And since the game is still in its early days, let me know in the comments what you think of it in general. I mean, is it really gonna be the next Minecraft, or are there just too many bugs to just get it off the ground quite yet? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious what you think of the game. And make sure to check out our other game panel videos right over here, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.